Being able to automatically move and copy data is very useful, but at some point human intervention in the plan is required. For this, an interface between the InfoProvider and the user is required. The input-ready query performs that function by providing the user with a point of entry for planning data. We will create several input-ready queries during the course of these lectures. We will go through the settings step by step for the first query, and the layout and the settings of the rest of the queries will be provided at the end of the relevant chapters. The first query we will build will be to enter price data. Recall that we have no actual data on which to base our prices, which in the real-world applications are unlikely. But it provides a useful way to demonstrate the initial entry of data. From the requirements, we have the following statement. Prices can only be planned on a higher level. For example, we cannot plan prices on material customer level, only material group and customer. In some instances, we may have prices applying to material within a material group, while material group and customer-specific prices may exist. Planned prices are also valid for a full year, and no periodic price planning is required. In the design of the price application, 3 choices are presented. Create 2 aggregation levels, one containing material group and the other material group and customer. Build a query for each, or create a single aggregation level containing material group and customer. Build 2 queries where the filter for the material group price contains a hash against customer, and add customer to free characteristics in that query, or create a single aggregation level, single filter, and query, and display all possible combinations of material group and customer, including non-assigned or hash customers. All 3 approaches will provide the same result. There is no hard and fast rule for the correct approach or best practice. The first approach requires more aggregation levels, but the number of filters and queries remain the same.